want our children to be attentive to those around them and be helpful. Most children are actually natural-born helpers, and all we need to do as adults is to provide them with the opportunities to help. Picking up toys, setting the table, carrying groceries, and unloading the washing machines are just some activities that are great for children to be involved in at a young age.
Oh, Sarah, let me help you. Oh, thanks for helping. Welcome.
Teach by example. Model the behavior you want to see so your child can imitate what you do.
Ollie, come here. Look at the table. What's missing?
Cups.
That's right.
Contrive situations for your child to participate in and to help out. Using incidental teaching, like what we did just now, gives them an opportunity to observe their environment and to problem solve.
Thanks for being my little helper.
Remember to praise your child after they've helped. Show them that you are truly thankful after they've helped, and they're more likely to repeat their actions later on.